Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Wix free versus premium plan. If you are wondering whether upgrading from the free plan is worth it, stick around because we are breaking down all the details. Now let's kick things off by looking at what the free plan includes. This is often the starting point of many users, and Wix offers some great features even on the free plan. Here's a breakdown of what you get. First, Wix ads. You will have Wix ads displayed on your site, which can be a downside if you are going for a professional look. Number 2, Wix domain. Instead of custom domain, your site URL will look like this: username.wix.com/site name. You have also limited storage and bandwidth. With the free plan, you are looking at just 500 megabyte of storage and 500 megabyte of bandwidth, which could limit you if you have a lot of content. You will have access to Wix templates and editor. Even on the free plan, you can use all of Wix templates, customize your size, and make it functional and beautiful. Finally, SSL security. Your site will be secure with SSL certification. So overall, it's a solid plan for anyone just starting or experimenting with website building, but it does come with limitations, especially if you are looking to grow. Now let's talk about Wix premium plans. Wix offers several premium plan tiers that starts as low as $17 per month and go up to $159 per month. Here's what you can expect from premium plans in general. First, the ad-free experience. Unlike the free plan, premium plans are ad-free, which is crucial for a professional image. You have also the custom domain. You can get a free custom domain for a year, or you can connect your own, giving your site that professional touch. Plus the increased storage and bandwidth. Depending on the plan, you can get anywhere from 2 GB to unlimited bandwidth and storage, making it great for scaling. Access to premium features. Some features like online payments, advanced SEO, and priority support are only available on premium plans. And finally, Wix apps. With premium plans, you can access more powerful tools within Wix app market, allowing you to add booking features, e-commerce tools, and more. So let's dive into each premium plan option briefly. The Lite plan will cost you $17 per month. This plan is great for personal sites and small projects. It's ad-free. It includes 2 GB of bandwidth and 2 GB of storage. Core plan at $29 per month. This plan is designed for freelancers. It offers unlimited bandwidth and 50 GB of storage, which is useful if you have high traffic. The third plan is the business plan. With this plan, you will get 100 GB of storage space, and you can add up to 10 collaborators. You will get also the standard site analytics plus the standard e-commerce. And finally, the business elite plan, which will cost you $159 per month. You can add up to 15 collaborators, and in this plan particularly, you have unlimited storage space, which is actually a magnificent deal. You have also the advanced site analytics, advanced e-commerce, plus advanced developer platform. So, is it worth it upgrading to Wix Premium? Absolutely yes, it's worth, especially if you are a freelancer or a business owner, or if you want to create a small personal site for yourself. And that's all for today's comparison. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.